Most AI thumbnails look like AI thumbnails, flat, weird, unclickable. In this video, I'll show you how to make a thumbnail with AI that stops the scroll and sparks curiosity. Quick promise, by the end of this video, you'll have a clean, high quality thumbnail workflow you can repeat in minutes. We are using Nano Banana Pro, Google's AI image generator. I recommend using it on aistudio.google.com because it's free and lets you choose your output quality. For example, 1K, 2K or even 4K. You can also set the aspect ratio such as 16:9 for YouTube directly from the settings. Now, here's what ruins AI thumbnails for most people. Your face starts to drift. Eye shift, feature change, and after a few generations, it doesn't even look like you. So here's a simple 5-step workflow to build a clean, clickable thumbnail from start to finish. Step 1. Choose the right starting photo. Pick one clean photo of you, clear face, simple lighting, and as little background clutter as possible. Yeah, it's basically an intern. If the input is messy, it guesses, and when it guesses, you stop looking like you. So choose the cleanest image you have. Now, jump into AI Studio and select Nano Banana Pro. Before we do anything else, set your 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube thumbnails. That way you're not fighting the crop later. For resolution, pick 2K, that's the sweet spot. Fast iteration, great detail. Once we love the result, then we can upscale. Step 2. Assign the model a single task. Build the cinematic base. Most people type make a YouTube thumbnail and they get generic AI stock photo energy. Instead, you prompt like a director. You want scene, vibe, lighting, and one clear instruction. Keep your face realistic and recognizable. Here's a prompt you can copy. Use my uploaded photo as a reference. Place me in a modern, stylish coffee shop. Change my clothing to a gray hoodie. Make the lighting cinematic and moody, with real-looking shadows and depth. Keep my face realistic, consistent, and recognizable. Do not change my identity. Now, your first result might be close but not perfect, and that's normal. This is where people mess up. They panic and rewrite the entire prompt. Don't do that. Revise like this, one sentence at a time. If it's too bright, say, make it darker and moodier. Keep everything else the same. If it's look flat, say, add more depth and stronger cinematic shadows. Keep my face the same. You are refining, not redoing. After 2 or 3 paces, you should have a base image that already looks way more expensive than a normal screenshot. With your cinematic base ready, let's move on to the step 3, expression. They work because they spike curiosity at first glance. So once your cinematic base looks good, paste this. Change my expression to a bold, high energy reaction. Keep my face realistic and recognizable. No changes to facial structure. Generate a few and then stop at 90%. If you keep rolling forever, that's when the details start sliding. Pick the best one that still feels like you, just with more energy. Now you've got the base and the hook. After nailing expression, step 4 is all about scene swaps, enabling you to test multiple thumbnail concepts very fast. This is where the workflow gets unfair. Once you have a U that's locked, you can drop that same subject into totally different scenes in seconds. So make a duplicate of your best image and try one clean scene swap. The background should change depending on the topic. For example, if the video is about AI tools, a modern creator studio with monitors showing abstract AI graphics. If it's about business or money, a sleek office with charts on a screen behind you. If it's about fitness, a gym setup with dramatic lighting and clean equipment in the background. Because now you're not guessing, you're testing. Thumbnails are all about testing. And step 5, the thumbnail text. Rule number 1, one idea, not a sentence. Keep it 5 to 6 words max. Big, bold and high contrast. And make sure it's readable on a phone. If it needs the explanation, is too long. And if you're adding text inside Nano Banana Pro, keep it minimal, because text can be the first thing to get weird in AI images. My recommendation, use Nano Banana Pro for the image, then add text in a tool like Canva. And if you are not sure what to write, you can use ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt that nails the font style, size and placement. And one more thing, don't make it too perfect. Real thumbnails look like they came from a camera, not a plastic AI render. So if your image looks overly crisp, you can literally prompt this. Reduce the overly sharp AI look, keep it photorealistic, keep natural skin texture, keep the face consistent. And that one line fixes a lot. Let me recap the workflow so you can repeat it. 1. Start with a clean photo. 2. Build a cinematic base. 4. swap scenes, 5 thumbnail text, and do it in AI Studio. Quality presets and aspect ratio makes the final result way easier to publish. But before that, here's the next step. Take the best image you generated and make two versions. Version A, cinematic moody background, and version B, cleaner and simple background. Then upload both as drafts and ask one friend. Which one would you click first? Because that's the game. If this helped, subscribe. I'm going to keep dropping practical AI workflows you can use immediately.